So this is where we went the other day to buy those cakes, which were so good. So I would recommend buying them at this place. I really like this mask. It's so cute. My mom has the same mask. I don't know what my mom is doing. I think she's copying me. These type of tiles are what they're kind of like famous for, because it's everywhere on their little souvenir things like this.
This is very famous in Portugal.
So this is apparently the biggest cathedral in Portugal. And this is like where royals get married and important people.
Get married.
So here you need to show a new test like every 3 days, every 2 days, because it's valid for either 72 hours or 48 hours. And you need to show when you go into restaurants and like indoor places. So you need to show your negative test. But that's why we're standing in line now to get ourselves tested, and we're gonna test ourselves the 31st as well for New Year's. We'll see how this goes. And you also need to show the test, negative test, at your hotel.
You have to have the test all the time. Every 2 days.
Okay, I'm done. It would be my worst test because they put it up your nose and like down. So they stick it really, really far in your nose. But they only do it on one of your nostrils, not both. So it's like, it's fine. That hurt pretty bad, if I'm gonna be completely honest. So all you really need is to bring your passport. They ask for your phone number and your email, and then you'll get the result on both your email and through message. So it's really easy actually, but be prepared that they stick it like all the way up your nostril, and it hurts pretty bad, but ang sakit, di ba? Sobrang sakit. My dad also said that it hurt. Look at all these cute cars. I love the ground. It's so cute. We bought a ticket for this yellow bus thing. Whee! So we're excited. We're finally going sightseeing. Whee! I don't know what they're making, but So this is their famous elevator that's been here for many, many years. Okay, I got kind of goosebumps when I looked down. Ah! So pretty. Wow, this is so good. Oh, it's cheese inside. So we got these, and he told us to bring home the glasses because it's souvenir. Because that's what I heard, and that's what my mom heard.
I think so. Also the glass.
But now I'm unsure. It's so pretty up here. Like, I love the view. It's so vibey if you would like have a date here or something. But when we've been walking around, there hasn't really been that many people, but right here there's a lot of people. They have really good mochi. They do not joke around with their sardines, let me tell you that. They even have swordfish and olive oil. The golden sardine. You can get your little basket and buy the sardines that you want. This is such a cute store just for sardines. 31 euro for one little can of sardines. Damn. By the way, the tests are in these little boxes. They take your test here for free, and it's a very good thing.